Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the MPOW 54 LED security lights. That is a solar powered light for outdoor wall, and it contains so many lamps. It is waterproof solar lights with 100-degree wide angle motion sensor, solar for garden, patio, walkway light, and it should be ultra bright. It has multiple intelligence light modes. The waterproof motion sensor light comes with adjustable medium light mode, dim light sensor mode, and sensor mode to meet your demands. You can choose 3 different light modes to operate based on your diverse needs, different from common products in the market. Unique wide angle sensor can detect movement from 10 to 26 feet up to 100-degree angle, offering larger coverage. Note, this sensor would be affected by low temperature on winter, which cause the light won't sensitive enough to detect a movement, but only at winter time. In the summertime, it's brilliant. Bigger, brighter design. 54 LED solar-powered lights provide a wider angle of lighting, brighter than other similar LED solar lights in the market. This security light provides maximum brightness illumination for your security all night. It has a waterproof design. As this solar light is designed to be used outdoor, it may be exposed to rain. Outdoor wall light made of a durable ABS material, you don't need to worry about the rain. It can also withstand all kinds of severe weather conditions. Easy mounting and perfect power. You can simply mount LED solar motion sensor light on the wall with included screws. The ideal installation height is around 5.6 under 6.6 feet. It's a perfect choice to be used in garden, patio, yard, driveway, outside wall, etc. And it looks really bright, nice, and it has a nice and good design, as you can see. And there are 3 modes available. On the back side, you can use the switch to set the different types of intelligent light modes. And if you install it, it will get the energy by the summer day inside the battery, and at the night time it will give you so many light power. And I tested it. It is able to go all the night from dusk till dawn. Let's assemble it. So let's go. We are given now only one hole for this, because the other hole is the same. Okay, I will show you only one hole. So the first hole is ready. So let's go and bring it into one line. And of course, take care that there will be sun at the daytime. That is important to load the battery inside. Now let's give a point to the right hole, to the second hole, because two holes are better than one hole, of course. So now let's make a drill action. Let's go. We are drilling now the whole 4-hour screws to hold this nice light pack. Let's drill it, baby. Do this by using a good machine, and then dip in the parts to tighten the screws inside. Now it's time to tighten the screws. That is easy going, as you can see. But first you have to set to one of the light modes and then assemble the screws. Job's done. Your nice LED security lights are assembled. Job's done. Now we can see you again in the night tide or at the night time. See you later, alligator. And here it is, the night time, and you can see it's really ultra bright. Wow, this is nice. I like it really, really cool. And the modes you can choose on the back side to make the different modes, the light modes, of course. It will be dimmed down, the sensor mode, and the full mode. You can choose what you like. But if the security light is on, you can see it is ultra bright. Nice product. Yeah, thumb up. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon. Nice ultra bright.